Hello friend, my name is Jetwa Jaydeep. My topic is the import package and class path. Import package. In import statement is write as import fully qualified name in a Java source file. When we declare in import statement, we declare static this file wherever we use class name or interface name. It should be subscribed with the specified fully qualified name. A Java source file may contain any number of import statements. All import statements have to process any class interface of enough declaration in this Java source file. The import statement should be follow the package statement. If the package statement is used in this file. Static import. Static import is a feature that extends the capability of import keyword. It is used to import static number of the class. We all know that static members are referenced in the associability with the class name outside the class. Using static import, it is possible to number to the static member directory without it is the class name. There are two general forms of the static import statement. The first from the static import statement import only a single static member of the class. Syntax import static package.class type name dollar dot star. Example import static java.length.math. Example using the static import. Import static java.length.math.star. Public class text. Public static void main string r. System.out.println square 144. Output is a 12. Java package. Packages are used in Java in order to avoid name conflicts and to controlation to of class interface and emulation. Java package for example java.length, java.util. Import statement is kept after the package statement. Example package mypack import java util. Class path. The class path environment of variable like the path. Environment variable it is a list directory name from where class may be loaded. The directory name are specific by in the case of Unix and Linux platform and by in case of Windows platform the directory list the class path even contain name of a archive file with content in the class file. After running the software JDK, the following in the example of the path javac -d dot slash bin class path slash bin general tree slash space general directory dot java. In the above command, the switch -d bin is used to specify the directory of the compiled class file. Thank you, friend.